Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by focusing on essentials you'll use daily, modern JavaScript features and async patterns. Install Node and Git, and push 2 small but complete projects to GitHub so recruiters can judge code quality. Once done, write a clear README and include setup scripts. This saves time when employers test your work. Make sure projects show problem solving, not just tutorials. These first steps get your profile searchable and interview-ready quickly. Next, deepen skills by building and deploying expressive applications that solve real problems, integrate a public API, and implement full CRUD. While coding, add meaningful unit and integration tests, and enable continuous integration so your main branch proves reliability. Explain why you chose certain patterns and what you traded off. This helps interviewers assess judgment. Once that's in place, optimize performance details and edge cases. Make sure each repo reads like a professional engineering deliverable. Finally, apply strategically. Tailor your resume and 3 targeted cover letters to roles, highlighting projects that match job descriptions. Practice live coding and system design, and run mock interviews with peers or mentors so you can explain trade-offs under pressure. Once offers arrive, compare total compensation and culture. Negotiate from documented market data and your priorities. If you stall or get repeated rejections, one troubleshooting tip: solicit specific feedback, iterate on your portfolio, and reapply within 3 months after targeted improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.